Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best TV Light Sync Box is probably one of the most exciting innovations in home entertainment technology, transforming your viewing experience by immersing you in the on-screen action with dynamic, responsive lighting that extends beyond the confines of your television screen, creating a captivating ambience that truly brings movies, games, and shows to life in a way you've never imagined before. Number 5. KANTUTOE 16.4 feet LED TV Lights. Experience a spectrum of 16 million colors to perfectly match any mood or setting. These lights enhance your visual experience, whether for your bedroom, gaming, or home theater. Easily control your lighting effects and activate music mode directly from your smartphone. Connect via Bluetooth to instantly set the perfect musical atmosphere. Watch as the lights dance to the beat of your music. The built-in microphone syncs colors with sound, creating an immersive atmosphere for any occasion. These lights are perfect for more than just your TV. Use them to decorate your living room, enhance holiday celebrations, or add flair to house parties. The safe, low-voltage USB power makes them ideal for any application. Setting up is a breeze with the strong, unique foam adhesive. The 16.4-foot strip easily contours to your TV, ensuring a secure and seamless fit. What we like. If you're looking for a vibrant and dynamic lighting experience that syncs with your music, this is the one. Its Bluetooth app control allows for easy customization and instant musical atmosphere creation. Choose this if you want to easily set the mood for parties or relaxing evenings. What people say. The lights sync perfectly with the screen content, creating an immersive viewing experience. Setup was surprisingly easy, and the app provides intuitive control over the lighting effects. Number 4. Philips Hue Play HDMI Sync Box. Transform your viewing with the Philips Hue Play HDMI Sync Box. It syncs your smart lights with what you watch and listen to, creating a truly immersive experience. Connect up to 4 HDMI devices effortlessly. It seamlessly syncs your media devices with your smart lights for a colorful display that matches your content. Setting it up is simple. Connect it to your Hue bridge and use it immediately with any TV and HDMI device. Place it on your TV cabinet or shelf without obstructing your screen. Enjoy convenient smart control. Set up voice control through the Hue app and use simple commands with Alexa or Google Assistant. Customize your lighting effects through the Hue app. Control the speed, intensity, and brightness to perfectly match your room and content. A Hue bridge is required to unlock its full potential. Enjoy automations, control from anywhere, and a secure, stable connection. What we like. For the ultimate immersive entertainment, this sync box is a top contender. It seamlessly syncs your smart lights with any HDMI device, offering a colorful display that responds to your content. If you already have a Hue bridge and want to elevate your movie nights and gaming sessions with synchronized lighting, this is your best bet. What people say. The lights sync perfectly with the screen content, creating an immersive viewing experience. Setup was surprisingly easy, and the app provides intuitive control over the lighting effects. The color reproduction is accurate, and the brightness levels are adjustable to suit different room conditions. Number 3. Philips Hue 75 Smart Light Strip. Elevate your TV watching and gaming with our Smart Light Strip. It creates an immersive ambience that perfectly complements your screen content. Experience millions of colors and a full spectrum of white light. You can instantly set the mood for any occasion. Watch as it syncs seamlessly with your TV, music, and games for a truly dynamic experience. It brings your entertainment to life. Control your lighting with just your voice. Simply use simple commands through Alexa or Google Assistant for convenient smart home integration. Setting it up is a breeze with the included mounting brackets. You can easily customize how it reacts to your content through the app. To unlock its full syncing capabilities with movies, music, or games, a Hue bridge and sync box are needed. These are sold separately. What we like. If you're invested in the Philips Hue ecosystem and want a dedicated light strip for your 75-inch TV, this is a perfect fit. It offers millions of colors and syncs directly with your TV content for an immersive experience. Consider this if you desire seamless integration and personalized lighting for your gaming and viewing. What people say. The light strip is easy to install and the adhesive is strong. The sync box works seamlessly with my TV and gaming console, creating an immersive experience. The colors are vibrant and accurate, enhancing the viewing experience. Number 2. Fancyleds 2.0 Fancy Sync Box. Elevate your movie nights and gaming sessions with our advanced sync box. Experience vibrant ambient lighting that perfectly matches your screen content. Enjoy flawless synchronization between your TV's backlight and your connected HDMI device. It extracts colors directly from the signal for incredibly accurate and lag-free lighting effects. This device supports stunning 4K resolution at 60 Hz with HDR and Dolby Vision. It ensures your visual experience is as rich and detailed as possible. It comes with a universal power adapter for easy use worldwide. The LED strip included is designed to fit TVs from 70 to 90 inches. Stream your favorite content in 4K without any playback issues. It works seamlessly with all TVs and compatible HDMI devices. Simply connect the included LED strip behind your TV and plug in the sync box. You'll instantly transform your viewing experience with dynamic, responsive lighting. What we like. This sync box offers a high-speed, lag-free synchronization by extracting colors directly from the HDMI signal. It supports 4K 60 Hz with HDR and DV, ensuring accurate backlighting for movies and gaming. If you need a solution for larger TVs, 70 to 90 inches, and prioritize direct HDMI signal syncing without a camera, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The light sync box is easy to set up and works seamlessly with my TV. The colors are vibrant and accurately match the on-screen action, creating an immersive viewing experience. The design is sleek and unobtrusive, blending well with my entertainment setup. Number 1. Acoyer 2-pack replacement remote for Roku TVs. Get your new remote working in no time. Simply insert batteries and it's ready to go, no complicated setup required. This remote is designed specifically for your Roku TV. It works seamlessly with a wide range of popular Roku TV brands. Please note, this remote is intended for Roku TVs only. It is not compatible with Roku sticks or streaming boxes. Navigate your favorite apps with ease using the dedicated shortcut buttons. Enjoy precise control from up to 30 feet away. This package includes 2 remotes, ensuring you always have a backup. It's the perfect solution for your home entertainment needs. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty and unlimited return service. Contact us with any questions you may have. What we like. If you've lost or broken your Roku TV remote, this 2-pack is a practical and cost-effective solution. These remotes require no pairing or programming, simply insert batteries and they work. Choose this if you need a reliable backup or replacement for your specific Roku TV models. What people say. The light sync box is a great addition to my home theater setup, enhancing the viewing experience with vibrant and dynamic lighting effects that perfectly match the on-screen action. Installation was straightforward, and the box seamlessly integrates with my existing TV and LED strips, providing an immersive atmosphere without any noticeable lag. The color reproduction is accurate, and the transitions between different lighting scenes are smooth, creating a truly cinematic feel for movies and gaming. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.